guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Morningstar. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new, hey guys, I know it's been a really long time since I put out a video, but your girl has been super busy trying to get my life in order, trying to step into this new career path of freelancing, and yeah, I've just been all over the place. So I thought, why not start off this year with a new video, even though it's late in the year, it's May, but it's never too late. But anyway, I just wanted to do a makeup look using some new products that I got from the powder group, and also some stuff that I purchased at the makeup show that just passed in New York City. So yeah, let's get started. Using the LA Girl Brow Pomade in dark brown, I'm using Omina 510 brush, and I'm just outlining the bottom of my brows. The rest of my brows I'm going to do after my foundation is on. And then I'm going to clean up my brows with the Kevyn Aucoin, the Sensual Skin Enhancer in XX13. And I'm also going to use this to prep my lids as well for shadow. For eyes, I'm using the Estate Mystic Forest palette, and I'm going to start off with Woodland, and I'm just going to buffer that into the crease and kind of just blend that out into a wing. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Griffen, and I'm just going to soften up underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going to take the shade Mystic Forest, that green shade, and I'm just going to wet the brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm just going to pack it on until I get the color that I want, the payoff that I want, the look that I want. And then I'm going to go in with Black Bear, and I am just going to kind of create a wing and also kind of just connect that to the crease and kind of create like this wing, as you can see what I'm doing here. So using the Suva Beauty UV primary colors, I'm going to take that black shade and I'm just going to create a wing. And this is super easy. You just activate it with water. This is a new product for me. I've never used this before, and so far I like it. So I can't wait to create some cool graphic liner looks with the other colors. For primer, I'm using Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Primer, and this is something new. I've never used it before, and I like the texture of it. It glides on really well, so I can't wait to do a wear test to see like how this holds up. But yeah, the texture of it is like, it feels like butter. And now I'm going to apply the Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam in Bronze Gold, and I like to put this under my foundation, or sometimes I even mix it with my foundation to get a nice radiant look. You can also wear this by itself as well, but I just like putting it under or mixing it with my foundation just for a nice glowy look. So going in with this Danessa Myricks Yummy, this is the Blurring Skin powder, and this is the universal shade, and this is one of her new products. And let me just give a quick review on this. So I really do like this. It starts off, it's a cream to powder, and immediately, like as you're rubbing it in with your hands, it quickly turns into powder, and it has like a really nice texture to it. And this is so good. Like, this is the second time that I've used this, and I'm definitely going to do a wear test, because the first time I really didn't do a wear test, so I couldn't really say like how long it lasts, but it's really good, especially if you're somebody with texture. This is really good to put on before your foundation. And I'm just taking a wet sponge and I'm just patting that in. For foundation, I'm using the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in shade Macao, and I really love this foundation. This is a new foundation for me. Little goes a long way. It definitely does coverage, but you could build it up to however much coverage you want. And I'm just carving out the top of my brows, so that way when I fill them in, it's already carved out and cleaned up. I don't have much to do after that. And I'm just going to finish blending that out, and I'm going to take this sponge from Aucoin company, and I'm just going to use this to kind of just buffer in the rest of that foundation, get a clean smooth finish, and kind of just pick up any excess foundation that's just sitting on top of my skin. And I'm just going to finish out my brows, and this is why I carved the top with my foundation, so that way I have like an idea of where I need to fill out the sparse areas of my brows. I don't like to clean up the top of my brows with concealer, like a lighter concealer, because I just don't like that brightness on top of the brows. But yeah, this is my technique for my brows. For contour, I'm using a black Opal True Color foundation stick, and this is in shade Carob, and I'm just contouring the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, my jawline, and the bridge of my nose. For blush, I'm using the Nude Stick Nudies Matte All Over Face, and this is in Sunkissed, and I'm just applying that right on top of my contour, and then I'm just going to blend this in with a fluffy angle brush. And I'm not really a fan of cream blush, but I really love this because it gives a subtle, nice blush. And of course I'm going to add blush on top of this, but let's say if you wanted to do like a everyday kind of clean beauty makeup look where it looks like you don't have a lot of makeup on, I would definitely recommend this Nude Stick. So I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin, the Sensual Skin Enhancer, as my highlight, and I'm going to mix a little bit of my Nars foundation just to deepen it just a little bit, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, not too much, my cupid's bow, my chin, and I'm also going to carve out my cheeks a little bit. I don't really like to do that, and I'm also going to kind of carve out underneath my lip. Taking that same sponge, that Aucoin company's makeup sponge, I'm just going to use a different side, and I'm just going to blend in that concealer. And I really like this sponge. You could use it dry and you can also wet it, but I prefer wetting it. It's really good, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. This is a new product for me. I've never used this sponge before from Aucoin. To set my concealer, I'm using the Tatcha Radiant Translucent Setting Powder, and this is my first time using it. So I'll let you guys know in another video how I like it. But I'm just going to set under my eyes, my chin, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. Everywhere that I place my concealer is where I'm going to set, and I'm also going to carve out my contour. I normally don't do this, and I also don't bake. I just feel like with baking it just makes my face look cakey, so I don't like it. I'd rather just set it with a brush and dust it off. To set the rest of my face, I'm using the Ben 9 Nutri-Set powder, and I love this powder because it's colorless. It can be used on any skin tone and there's no flashback, so I love when using this when I set the rest of my face. To finish off the eyes, I'm going back with that shade Black Bear from that eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying that to my waterline, and I'm going to smoke that out. And taking that shade Mystic Forest, I'm going to apply that on the inner corner and smoke it out into the Black Bear. So I'm going to just curl my lashes and get them ready, and then I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm using the Nicka K Mighty Lash Mascara. If you guys are new to my channel, this is my holy grail. I love this mascara so much. It's like everything, and it's only like $5 at the beauty supply store. And I'm going to take this fan brush and I'm going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. For blush and highlight, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin, the Neo blush, and this is Sunset. I love this blush. You could use it all as one for like a highlighted blush, or you could use them separate. So I'm going to use it separate, and then I'm going to apply the highlighter on the high points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and I'm even going to add a little bit to the brow bone. This is like my holy grail now. I love this product so much. Like, I need to get the other shades. I'm obsessed with it. For lashes, I'm using the Rooney May lashes, and this is in the style Nadia. I have been using these lashes for a few months now, and I'm obsessed with their lashes. To prime my lips, I'm using the Face Atelier Lip Putty, and I like using this. It just makes the lipstick and everything just glides on so smoothly, and it doesn't crack. So I like using this as a base, and then I'm using this dark kind of plum pencil. I got this from a gift bag, so I don't even know what brand it is, but I'm using that to line my lips. And then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is the cream lipstick, and this is color Double Shot. It's my first time using this, and I do like it. It has nice little shine to it, but it doesn't feel dry, so I do like that. And I'm going to finish off the makeup with the Scandinavia Makeup Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really like this. I wish that I was going out somewhere right now, but I'm not. I'm going to just be in the house. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. If there's anything else you would like me to do, any ideas. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Morningstar Ashé. That's A-S-H-E. I'm also on Twitter at Skylar_Zoe. And I'm on TikTok. Follow me on there, Morningstar Ashé. Make sure you check out my website. I'll put everything in the description bar, like everything that I use, all my social media handles, all of that good stuff. And I guess I can make the announcement here. I am offering one-on-one makeup classes. So if you are somebody who is a beginner and don't really wear much makeup, or if there's any tips that you want to learn, head over to my website. You can book one-on-one in-person sessions, and you can also book virtual sessions as well. Each class comes with products, so cater to what you will want to learn. So yeah, head over to my website for more details on that, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm not going to make any promises because I know I always make a promise that I'm going to be consistent with videos, but I'm going to try my very best. How about that? So yeah, I'm outie. Bye guys. Thanks again for watching.